Regulation 5. General requirements for package approval. Morphol Annex 3. Regulation number 5 defines the general condition for licensed package carrying hazardous substance. This rule assures that packaging satisfies particular standards in order to prevent leaks or spills during transportation, to ensure the safe transport of hazardous products. Packaging must be explained and certified in compliance with international standards. Regulation number 6. Testing and approval in packaging. And testing approval distance and that it can service maritime condition without leaking on the rating. After the tested and approved, the packaging will be careful as meeting Morphol Annex 3. Regulation number 7. Definition of harmful distance. Regulation 7. Focus and clearing and defiling hazards distance. Packages must bear certain levels and symbols indicating the type of the substance contained therein, the shelf, which self-handling and emergency response in the event of accident or leak. Regulation number 8. Documentation number 8 is concerned with the documents requirements in shippers to provide data for information on the substance, being the details on the chemical in risk and emergency response. Products are included. Appropriate documentation is for assuring the safe handling and transportation of dangerous substance.